In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Revolut business account in the USA. Let's walk through the process from the very first click to your new dashboard, keeping everything clear and simple. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut Business. On the official site, look for the option to create an account and select it. When prompted, choose United States as your country of business registration, then continue. Next, pick your legal business type, such as LLC, corporation, partnership, or sole proprietorship, and continue again. Make sure your selection matches your formation documents. Enter your email address and continue. Revolut will send you a secure link. Head to your email inbox and authorize the login from there. Once you're back, provide your phone number, double checking that you've selected the correct country code before you proceed. Enter the verification code you receive by text, then create a strong password, preferably stored in a password manager, and continue. You'll now add your personal details. Enter your date of birth, continue, then your residential address, and continue again. For the business section, search for your company's exact legal name as it appears on state records, select it if it appears, and continue. Then fill in the business details, the legal name, your company registration number, and the date of incorporation. In the United States, that registration number may be a state file number. Some forms may also ask for an employer identification number. Use what the form specifies and ensure it matches your official documents. Continue when you're done. Add the business address, including city and zip code, and continue. Now it's time to verify your identity. Click Continue to begin, choose the type of ID you'll use, like a driver's license or passport, and follow the prompts. When asked, start the video recording. Hold your document steady, keep your face well lit, and complete the liveness and frame checks as instructed. If something doesn't scan, try a brighter spot and wipe the camera lens. After your identity check is submitted, Revolut will review your application. Once your account is verified, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. From there, you can explore features, connect your accounting tools, and set up payments. And that's it. Your Revolut business account in the United States is up and running. A quick tip before you wrap up. Approvals are fastest when every entry matches your official records exactly. Avoid abbreviations. Use the same address format on your paperwork and keep your ID and formation documents handy. If Revolut asks for anything else by email, reply promptly to keep things moving.